Hey everyone, Bree here with Rick's Review Hub. Craving crispy fries, juicy wings, or even a whole roast without firing up the oven? Today we're diving into the Ninja Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, a kitchen beast that cooks two foods at once with pro-level results. This thing is a game changer for busy families or foodies. Stick around to see why it's worth your counter space and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Ninja DZ550 has a 10-quart capacity split into two 5-quart baskets, each with its own cyclonic fan and heater for independent cooking. It offers 6 functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with a temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees Celsius. The Smart Cook system includes a Foodi Smart thermometer for perfect doneness, no guesswork needed. DualZone technology lets you cook 2 dishes differently and finish at the same time with Smart Finish, or sync settings with Match Cook for a full 10 quarts. The non-stick baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, and it comes with a 15-recipe guide. Now, the pros. Users love the dual baskets for cooking mains and sides together, like chicken and fries, saving tons of time. The Smart thermometer nails meat doneness, and the air fryer cooks up to 30% faster than an oven, with crispy results using little to no oil. Reviewers say it's a kitchen superhero for large families handling up to 8 pounds of wings. The controls are user-friendly, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. It's sturdy, reliable, and perfect for entertaining or daily meals. There are some cons. Priced around $200, it's not cheap, and its large size, 17 by 14 inches, takes up counter space, so it's not ideal for tiny kitchens. Some users note it runs a bit hot, so you might need to tweak presets or flip food for even cooking. A few reported missing manuals or minor shipping issues, though Ninja support is responsive. The fan can be slightly loud on high settings. I recommend the Ninja Foodi DualZone Air Fryer for families, meal preppers, or anyone wanting versatile, fast cooking for multiple dishes. It's perfect for big meals or healthier frying, but if you have a small kitchen or only cook for one, a compact model might suit you better. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to cook like a pro? Grab the Ninja Foodi DualZone Air Fryer using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to crispy, delicious meals.